Radio working, everything's played. Today we are working on a 2011 Honda CRV. We are taking the radio out and installing an aftermarket Sony with an XM series ready. So first thing you want to do, you want to pry this off with a flathead. Might have to have a two-hand. Pull it out like that. And then second thing, you want to pull this part out. Just pull it straight forward. I'm gonna put this video on the Okay, I'm back. What you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to pry this black part out, this whole black piece. Pull it straight up. It's gonna come out like that. Then you got a 8mm or a Phillips you can do. And this part right here on the bottom, just take a flathead, thinner plastic. It's probably work better. Then once you hold this one part right here out, two plastic is probably better, but a flathead and a plastic is great too. Pull this out straight like that, and now you got two right there and two right there. I had to get an extension for this. So you can use a Phillips, or if you have a drill like what I have, it's perfect. Once you get that out, you just pull it out straight, easy. Grab that part right there, two out, straight out like that. It's a little bit tight, that's why I've been shaking it around. And then now, I'm going to show you this later, how you get it out. You just push the clips and then pull it straight out. Okay, what I did earlier, there was three of them. What I did earlier, I pushed this part right here like that, push it down and pull it straight out. Same as an antenna right here, I push this side right here and then I pull it straight out. Okay, you're gonna have to open that package. You'll see one of these right there. We're putting a single DIN, which is a DSXA 415BT with the Bluetooth and the Sirius XM. I'm not gonna show you this part. Whoops. So out of package. This is for double DIN. If you're gonna put a double DIN on this one, you're gonna break this part out. But if you're gonna do a single DIN, you're gonna save that and then kind of see, just push it right in like that, snap it in. That's for single then. All you have to do is put this clip right here. It should come with it. I hope so. If not, you use the old one, the old factory right here. Just take the flathead or needles or anything. Push it up, pry it up, and push it out. One. See right there? I'm not sure you can see it. Look at the camera. Right there, and then do another clip. Push that in. Should come out. And then this bottom piece you're gonna use that two screw that we took out, and it's ready to go on that part. So I'm gonna keep this for the customer. I know he's gonna want it back. This is for a double den. I don't think he needs this part, but I'm gonna keep it here for him. This is a harness we were talking about. It's 701722 is the model number for Metra. So I'm gonna open the package. Now you got the wire right here. What you're gonna have to do, I always use that word all the time on my channel. You're gonna have to run all color, the same color. They're all the same color. You got yellow, you got red, you got brown. I'm sorry, you got purple. You don't have to hook up the blue and white because that's the amplifier. I don't think this radio's got an amplifier. If you do, you should have it, but you don't need to hook that blue and white wire up. The rest of them are the same. I'm gonna wire it up. And making sure the wire right here, making sure there's no piece of metal or any coppers is out of this, because that can create a short. Make sure it's completely inside the copper. Push this clip back right here, so that way it clip back in. I'm gonna put right in like that, and use the flathead and push it in. see right here. See right there. This is for the Sirius XM. I'm gonna run that. Stick it right here. Use the plastic and push it in. Rubber out. Right back. Then I'm gonna run it back over here. There's a couple clips, you just pull it down. Straight down. Then be a hole right here on the right. Just grab that part and pull it back up this way. It's a lot of wire, so you don't have to put it on the roof. You should get a good signal. Earlier, I forgot to mention the antenna adapter right here. I posted on. Here is the XM series. Open it up. You don't have to take none of these out. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna push the radio in, make sure it's not upside down. Let it clip like that, like so. And then I'm gonna put the XM in here. There should be only one way to fit it, so if it's not in, if it's not going in, don't try to force it. Making sure it's a little bit tight so the radio is not moving. Plug that antenna. You don't have to hook this blue wire up because it's not powered. Plug the harness in. Plug it back to the radio. Antenna should be right in the radio right here. Don't forget the antenna. Put it back in like so, push it straight, and it's gonna clip. Make sure the wire is not. Now you're gonna put the screw back in. Make sure this go in evenly so it looks good. That side, you got that in, put the AC control back in there. You can also pull it down the drive and make sure you don't want to start it. Push it in. Like so. Then put back on park. On top right here, well, you got 2 screws right here that you don't even need. So you're gonna have left with 2 screws. Right back. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put the screw back for them. So in case they want to put the old radio back, they're trying to sell this car or something. Okay, that way they have the screw. So you pull it out. Make sure it go into this spot right here. And then tap it in a little bit. Don't hit it hard. Same as this. The clip go in first, and then, and voila, we're done. Radio working. Everything's played.